Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Guys, I have just tried this new stealth model Cheetah on Cursor, and also I have found that some people are saying this model is from the Gemini. It can be the Gemini 3 model, or it can be the Grok code model, or it can be the Claude model, or it can be GPT-5 some variant, some other checkpoint, right? But in this video, I will give you some solid proof and you will understand this model is from which provider. Okay, but before that, let me show you some of the designs that I have tried with this model and you will understand it clearly that how much capability it has. And one thing is for sure that this model is blazing fast. Okay, this model is very fast, means if you give any requirement to this model, within a 1 minute it will complete all of that things. Okay, so this is very fast. And first let me show you. And here you see that in my current directory, where I have tested different models, I have made three different folder. One is this Cheetah, another one is this Cheetah 2, and another one is this Cheetah 3. So I have tested three different designs with this Cheetah model, and let me show you the output. So here you see that I have taken this design from this dribble.com, and this is one of the appointment booking website, and I have just simply given this model to this Cheetah, and I just asked it that simply see the image and build the website exactly like the image in HTML, CSS and JS. And here you see that this is the output. Okay, so this output is looking good. And also if you see that with the design, it is almost matching, right? Now, this is the second design, and when I gave this design to this Cheetah, and here you see that I have just asked the same thing here also, and see the image, build the website in HTML, CSS, and JS, and this is the output. Here in this case, it has not implemented the design in a correct way, but all of the components that is inside the this design, it has implemented that, but there is some issues, and it is not that much matching. Okay, now the thing is that I have made another website which is the resume ATS checker, and here you see that what it does, that it takes one file as a PDF or doc, and here you give the job description and it will analyze that, tell you the ATS code. So let's check it and upload one file here and open. By the way, here you see that I have already uploaded one video on this cat coder. This is the cat dev 72 billion experimental model. There also I have already shown you this kind of resume checker website that you can make, and this model is beating GLM 4.6. So please to check out this video, you will get a huge knowledge. Now let's come back to this. As you see, after uploading this video, sorry, after uploading this PDF, it has extracted the resume text in the form of some byte array. Okay, and here simply give the job description. Let me take one of the job description from the LinkedIn, one job, and let me paste here. Okay, now if I click on this analyze resume, here you see 4% match score and match keyword, machine keyword, recommendations. So this looks cool, and the thing is that if you compare the same things, so let me first compare the same things with the Gemini 2.5 Pro. Okay, so those who are saying that this can be the Gemini 3.0 model, for them here you see this is the output that I got from this Gemini 2.5 Pro for the same input. But here you see that from Gemini 2.5 Pro, the output is really amazing than this Cheetah. Why? Here you see that for this Gemini 3, sorry, Gemini 2.5 Pro, before this $240, this 1 hour video consultation is written here. And also if you see this layout and the given layout, it is actually 95% matching, but there is some issue with this design. Okay, the layout is not that much attractive. So now tell me one thing, that if the layout is so much attractive from the Gemini 2.5 Pro, then for Gemini 3 the layout will be more attractive than this, right? But here in this case it is not for this Cheetah, right? So I can say that this Cheetah model is not from the Gemini. Okay, this is completely my opinion. Your opinion might be different, but from the experiment that I have got, I am just sharing that thought with you. For me, this Cheetah model is not the Gemini 3 model. Now let's see that is this model from the Grok model or not. Now if you go to this Grok model, Grok code first, here you see that they have one pricing plan. This is the $1.5 output and $0.20 input. And if you think this Cheetah, so here you see that the Cheetah model pricing is huge. Okay, it is around $1.25 input and $10 for the output. Now many people are saying that this pricing plan is matching with the GPT and also Gemini. So this model can be a Gemini. So based on the pricing we can't say that. Okay. Now one thing is that if you see that this Code first was the blazing first model, and this Cheetah also blazing first, right? Now let me show you another funny, interesting thing as a solid proof. So if you go to this God code first one, have you seen this image? This image is a leopard. Okay, so if you take this God code first one image and if you give it to this Coin 3 VL to 35 billion model, this is a visual language model. Here you see it is saying that it is snow leopard. Okay, and if you see this leopard and cheetah, okay, these both look similar, right? Almost similar, but these are two different. But leopard and cheetah both are look similar. So there is a two solid proof that this model is from the Grok model. Why? The first one is that this model is blazing fast, and until now, what I have found that uh, the first model, the only first model that I have found is from the Grok, and this Cheetah also very fast, blazing fast model. So this is one proof, and second one is this image. So this image is the Grok code first one, which is a leopard, and as the new model is also Cheetah, so you can say this model is from the Grok code. Okay, so based on this proof, I am thinking, and this is completely my opinion, that this Cheetah model is from the Grok. Now the question is that should you use this Cheetah model inside cursor? Now for this, I will give you 3 points. Point number one is if you want the blazing fast experience, then you can definitely go with this Cheetah model. Point number two is the code quality good from this model? Yes, the code quality is definitely good. I have seen that it is giving the industry standard coding, and you will get the good quality coding from this model. Okay. Now the point number three is that it has some issues from for reading the image. Okay, so if you just give the requirement in the form of text, then you will get the good output. But in case of image reading, suppose you have given one design as an image, then in that case you may not get the good output, because here you see in case of this design I got almost same to same output. Okay, almost same to same, but in case of this design I have not got that kind of good design. So in case of image reading you may not get the that much quality output. And what you can do, you can give the requirement as a as a text in the form of prompt. Okay, and so this is the things that I wanted to share with you guys. And if you found this video helpful, and if you want to get this type of videos more, then don't forget to subscribe this channel. See, I always try to make the videos transparent with my subscribers, because they want the quality video from me. Okay, so that's why I do the research I take some time to make this kind of quality videos. I do analyze so that I can keep the best knowledge to my subscribers, to my family, right? So that's why if you want to get the best out knowledge from this channel, please make sure to subscribe this, like this, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.